Welcome back. Today, in Learn to Maximize kvCORE in under 10 minutes, we are going to talk about Core Social. Our mission is to get those automated social media posts. So let's jump right into it. Okay. We're going to log in to your kvCORE dashboard. And as always, on the left-hand side are our icons. We can scroll over them and see what they are, or come to the hamburger menu, pop it out, and be able to see it at a quick glance. So today we are going to come into the fifth one down, marketing. And all the way down, if you hover over it, we're going to come to new core social. Click that. Once there, you're going to see this dashboard. And we'll get into what all of this is on the bottom half. But for right now, we're going to talk about managing post preferences. That's where you must start. So come up here to the top right-hand corner, hit Manage Posting Preferences by this little gear. And you're going to get this pop-up window, Core Social Settings. The first step you need to do is connect your social media connections. So your Facebook, your Twitter, and your LinkedIn. Hopefully some more social media platforms will be coming, but this is what we have for now. So we're going to hit Edit. And you're going to come through. I do have LinkedIn. I don't know if I'm logged in. We'll see. Hit Connect. It's going to connect to Facebook. It's going to ask you for your permissions. Connection successful. You can now close this window. Let's see if I have my LinkedIn. Yeah, allow. So now I've got, something wrong with it says connected, so we'll see. And then on the left-hand side, before you close this window, come over here and hit allow posting. Allow posting, okay? Then the next thing, once you close that window, you're going to come back to articles. You need to select some categories. We want to hit allow content and allow content to both your Facebook and your LinkedIn. On the left-hand side, posting permissions for articles. Then the frequency. You can select up to 4 days. So I say 3 to 4 is really good. Tuesday, Wednesday, let's say Thursday, Friday. And then you can come through here and hit select your content categories. So real estate, maybe mortgage, buying and selling tips, home improvement, interior design. I believe you must do 8. Yes, 8 or more categories. So we'll do some moving tips, cleaning and organizing, then unique homes. And there we go. We have our categories. Then the third tile is for holidays. So we're going to come through. Also turn on allowing content. We want to do Mother's Day, Father's Day, New Year's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Labor Day, Halloween, Easter, Thanksgiving, Hanukkah, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Memorial Day, Independence Day. They have some Canadian ones. Hit Save Settings. And now that you have everything turned on and your article selected in your holidays, you can X out of this box. And now what will happen is, once I'm going to hit refresh and see if it'll do. Oh, I didn't select. Did I select days? I believe I did. Come through here and see. So now hit refresh, and now you'll see on the calendar, these black bars are showing when there's going to post an article on your behalf. And then the holidays, it's going to show holidays in orange. Then over here, I'm going to come back to the calendar, but next analytics, it'll show you with either current month, last 7 days, 14 or 30 days, what the engagement was like on how many posts you did and what the engagement was like. And then daily, so you can start seeing when you're getting better engagement and maybe change your days. Also note that the analytics are only available on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter analytics coming soon. And then on the far right, you can ensure that you are connected on the right. So back over here to the calendar. It's about 2 weeks ahead. So for tomorrow, if I click on the bar, it'll show me what article is going to be posted. If you want to read the full article, you can come here to the top right, full article. If you do not like this article that's going to be posted on your behalf, you can swap article. So you can swap articles, but you cannot swap categories. So it's going to give you more articles in the same category. If you decide I do not like any of these choices right now, you can hit deactivate article and then nothing will post for you. Okay. And that's easy. It's a quick, awesome, set it and forget it. And then what I like to say is, have this posted on your Facebook or LinkedIn business pages. So that way there's constant content and engagement with your pages. And then go into your pages and occasionally, if you see an article that you really like, share that to your personal page with a customized post so that you can share it to your sphere. I really, really enjoy Core Social, and I hope you do too. See you next time.